Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix grayed out files in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You can get started opening up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and open up our recording menu. You can open up any of the instruments. I'm just going to open up audio recorder. It all works the same. It's going to provide the same menu. So here's our recording menu. And now what we can do is go ahead and switch to edit mode right here in the upper left corner. It's going to open up this track options right here. And now by clicking the upper right button right here, we can go ahead and find our files that we can upload and drag into our track. So guys, there are a couple of solutions to the problem you might be facing. If you have browsed items from the Files app previously and now they're appearing right here, but they are grayed out, what the problem is you probably do not have the files anymore on your iPhone. You have probably deleted them or changed the folder or something similar, and the program cannot find them, so you have to browse items from the Files app again and add them. Another thing that might be happening guys is if the format of the files is not supported. So if you open up the format that is not supported by this program that you cannot drag and drop, it's going to be grayed out. But usually if you select a normal MP3 that you have on your iPhone, as you can see as guys have right now, it's going to work normally and going to appear right here, so you can just go ahead and drag and drop it right here and so on. If you are seeing any Apple loops that are grayed out, that means they're not available at the moment. Either you have not logged them or they're closed or something similar, but that's usually the reason. There is always a reason that's grayed out. But yeah, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.